Today is the day when finally the suspense will conclude over Amethi and Raebareli. Who will be up against Smriti Irani of the Bharatiya Janata Party to defeat what has now appeared to become her turf? While also for Raebareli, the Congress party hasn't announced, the BJP also hasn't made an announcement on it yet. What we are told is that this is the last day of the filing of nomination that's approaching. So the next 24 hours are very crucial. The Congress, however, yet to announce the candidate for Amethi. Now, speculation has been on that it could be Rahul Gandhi's potential return to Amethi and as a second seat after Wayanad. But Jairam Ramesh, Congress General Secretary, has hinted that Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the chief of the party, will make that final decision on Amethi and Raebareli in the next 24 to 30 hours. According to sources, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, we are being told, possibly, will not be fighting Lok Sabha elections this year. She will focus on campaigning for the party. When asked then who will contest from what has been the strongest Gandhi bastion of Raebareli, Priyanka has maintained silence.
There is still a confusion between Raebareli and Amethi. What is your feeling? Ma'am, you are hesitant to contest the election. Ma'am, you are hesitant to contest the election. Ma'am, please.
The CEC has empowered the Congress president to finalize the Congress candidates for Amethi and Raebareli. My expectation is that in the next 24 to 30 hours, Congress president will finalize and a decision that has been taken by him will be announced formally. Till that is done, all information, all tickers, all so-called office orders are all fake.
जिस तरह से लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, ना राहुल जी और ना ही प्रियंका जी, ये लोग वो हैं जिनके लिए अमेठी और रायबरेली सिर्फ चुनावी धड़ा नहीं, अखाड़ा नहीं है। उन्होंने इन क्षेत्रों को बसाया है, उन्होंने इन क्षेत्रों में प्यार पाया है। ये क्षेत्र उनका परिवार है। इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट कि अगर चुनाव हो या चुनाव ना हो, ये उनके परिवार हैं। तो उस परिवार में उनकी जाना ना जाना ये उनका काम है। जिसको जो भी सस्पेंस है, लेकिन याद रखिए जिसका सस्पेंस अच्छा होता है ना, वो बहुत जबरदस्त होती है वो फिल्म हिट।
गांधी परिवार बहुत लोकप्रिय पूरे देश में प्रचार कर रहा है, लाखों लोग उनकी मीटिंग्स में आ रहे हैं। अब ये फैसला जो कांग्रेस की केंद्रीय चुनाव समिति है वो करेगी।
अमेठी और रायबरेली की जनता के साथ जो दगा कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं ने किया, ये बड़े अफसोस की बात है। जिस अमेठी और रायबरेली को कांग्रेस पार्टी अपना गढ़ बताती थी, सत्ता में कितने लंबे समय तक रहे, लेकिन उस अमेठी और रायबरेली के लिए कभी भी कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं ने कुछ नहीं किया। आज देखिए किस तरीके से अमेठी से उल्टे पांव कांग्रेस पार्टी के शीर्ष नेता उल्टे पांव भाग खड़े हुए। वहां पे अपने कांग्रेस पार्टी को वहां कोई गंभीर प्रत्याशी नहीं मिल रहा चुनाव लड़ने के लिए। ये साफ जाहिर करता है कि अमेठी और रायबरेली का क्या मन है, क्या मत है।
So what's happening on the ground is also going to be very crucial. Joining me is Abhishek Mishra. He's on the ground constantly tracking the latest. Abhishek, good morning. So you tell me, because Amethi, everyone wants to know if it will be the return of Rahul Gandhi or will it be a new candidate against Smriti Irani. What are you picking from on the ground? What is the ground sentiment like? What are the people saying? And finally, hours to go for that final announcement.
Well, good morning, Pooja. Certainly, only few hours left for that important announcement. And we've heard how Jairam Ramesh has clearly said within 24 to 30 hours, and that time has come. The congressmen believe there is no delay. This is the time which they actually takes. They have been preparing on the ground, which we have also witnessed. But yes, no clarity given as such about both the seats, Amethi and Raebareli. We also got to know that Priyanka is not very keen on contesting Raebareli, but Rahul's decision on Amethi seat is going to be very crucial. Now, what is also very important is KL Sharma, the representative of Sonia Gandhi, has already in Raebareli and also looking at Amethi management. So that is what is actually happening, and all the local leaders are very active. They're constantly on the ground, and the sentiment you asked is moreover is is also mixed as of now. We've heard the voices in favor of the Gandhi family. People are actually looking forward to a tough candidate against Smriti Irani in Amethi. So on that basis as well, it's going to be a very interesting fight. Just a few hours left and we'll get to know who is actually contesting not just Amethi but also Raebareli. But the BJP also has to give the candidate, and it is becoming very, tough contest for sure this time, with just only 48 hours left for the final day of nomination.